Y'all, I don't know what kind of sick joke this is. This bad boy is sliding back. I was fighting with this unit. I was tussling. I was tugging. This one is itty bitty, honey. It's an itty bitty little cap. If I can't put it on my head, then why am I gonna get it? Like,
cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left. Plus you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking it easy like poco a poco.
hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with a new Bobbi Boss unit. Haven't done a Bobbi Boss unit in a little bit, so I figured I'd pick this one up. I'm wearing this one in the style Jael and the color number 2, so let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So this one's listed as a glueless unit. You do your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. It does also come with an elastic band. It is pre-plucked. It does have baby hairs, and you do get your HD lace 13x4 parting space. So let me just come in and show you guys what the hairline's looking like on this one. This one is also heat safe. It doesn't say up to what degree it's heat safe, so definitely just be on the safe side. I probably would stay around like 340 to 360 just to be safe and make sure you don't burn those fibers, but you can definitely go in and add heat if you want to. Honey, let me just talk to you real quick about the cap size on this unit. Like, Bobbi Boss, like, what in the world is going on? Let me warn you guys right now, like I always say, my head is about 22 to 22 and a half inches in circumference. If your head is my size or any bigger, honey, absolutely run as fast as you can away from this unit. Like, girl, no. When I tell you I was fighting with this unit, I was tussling, I was tugging, I was like, girl, this was not working for me. I adhered this bad boy down for no less than a half an hour with a wrap on, and honey, that did not do it any justice. It got it like sitting all right, but not to where I wanted. This bad boy is sliding back. This cap size is extremely small. I don't know if they ran out of lace. This one is itty bitty, honey. It's an itty bitty little cap. Now the texture on this unit is beautiful. I definitely would compare this to the Ultra Julienne. I feel like if this was fitting the way that I wanted to fit and the Ultra Julienne 26 unit was sold out, I definitely would go for this one. This one is also reminding me of the Bobbi Boss Tanya unit that I just reviewed recently in that navy blue color. As far as the texture and everything, the quality of the hair is very nice. The texture is definitely yaki. I love the texture. The density is definitely more so on the natural side. It's right in the middle though. It's about 150%. It's definitely not thin at all. It's a perfect amount of hair. Hair quality is wonderful. Texture is great. Density is nice. They are like checking all the boxes except for the cap size, which I feel like is the most important. Like, if I can't put it on my head, then why am I gonna get it? Like, so let me just pop into the cons and the pros of this unit. Of course, my number one and only con for this unit, honey, like I've been going on and on in this video, is 100% going to be the itty bitty little baby cap size that we have going on here, Bobbi boss. The cap size is far too small. Like, that's all I'm asking for. Just get us a bigger cap. Like, can we make caps that are not for children? Because this is just, I can't. But my pros on it, aside from the cap size, honey, I will say the hair quality is fantastic. The texture is amazing. Y'all always know I go for my yaki. I didn't get really much tangling or shedding. It was kind of a couple snags here and there, but nothing too crazy at all. The hair quality, the density, the texture, the hairline, the baby hairs, the parting space, the whole look of it, like, I'm so torn because y'all could have, like, this could have been an absolute banger, you know? Like, so what I would say about this unit, obviously I wouldn't pick it up again because I can't wear it because it's not my head size. I would say if you have a smaller size head, this unit would definitely be for you. And every other aspect, aside from the cap size, this unit is just given what it should be given. But that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.